Good day, I'm Doug Wilms, President of the Learning Bar, a company dedicated to giving all children the opportunity to thrive. I'm pleased to share with you information about our literacy program called Confident Learners. A key milestone in most children's lives is making a successful transition from learning to read to reading to learn. And for most children, this transition happens at about age 7 or 8. During kindergarten and the first few years of primary school, the focus is on learning to read, that is, building the foundational skills required to become skilled readers. But after the second or third year of primary school, the focus of teaching and learning changes. Children are expected to read to learn the languages of subject domains like science and history, and use those languages to think critically, solve problems, and create new knowledge. We know from our large-scale international assessments that only about 60 to 70% of students in the world's wealthiest countries become skilled readers. Children who do not make a successful transition from learning to read to reading to learn on relatively flat trajectories in their development throughout their school career. Imagine the psychological toll of going to school each day and finding that the course material is becoming increasingly more difficult. Your friends are moving ahead at a faster pace, and you don't have enough time to learn the skills being taught. We should not be surprised then that these children are vulnerable. They're at risk of becoming disaffected from school. They're at risk of participating in risky behaviors, and they're at risk of dropping out of school before graduation. Confident Learners is a 3-year, whole school, whole community program with 2 aims. Number 1, improving the reading skills of all children in the school. And number 2, increasing teacher efficacy by building their knowledge and skills in teaching children how to read. A key feature of our program is that reading instruction follows a well-defined sequence based on the science of reading. The research evidence is compelling. The most effective way of teaching reading begins with explicit phonics instruction. For example, during the first phase of Confident Learners, children learn how the sounds they hear in words, the phonemes, are linked to the letters they see in print, the graphemes. As children learn how to sound out words, they quickly learn how to read words, spell them, and make simple sentences. Before long, they're reading full sentences and short passages. Confident Learners is comprised of 4 integrated elements that ensure children can become successful readers. 1, online professional learning. Confident Learners includes a suite of 3 asynchronous courses on the science of reading, the science of teaching, and the science of assessment. Each course is grounded in key evidence from academic research and linked to proven and practical classroom lessons, activities, and strategies. Teachers can monitor their own professional development using the Learning Bar's Teacher Self-Reflection Questionnaire. Number 2, it's a systematic, structured literacy program. The heart of Confident Learners is a structured, phonics-based literacy program. It is set out in 3 phases with 15 modules in each phase. Each module includes a lesson plan and a set of engaging teaching activities linked to high-yield teaching strategies. Number 3, an assessment program that allows you to quickly and accurately assess each child's progress. Our Phonics Advantage Reading Assessment, we call it PARA, is a formative assessment that enables teachers to assess every child's reading skills quickly and accurately during the first few weeks of school. During the school year, teachers can update children's progress with short 5 to 10 minute assessments. Teachers can track children's growth day by day with an easy-to-use online program. The data on children's progress are used in the school's professional learning community. And number 4, instructional coaching. Changing school and classroom practice is challenging. It takes commitment and it takes time. Principals and teachers are supported in their journey with regular coaching calls with an experienced literacy coach. Confident Learners is the only program that integrates principals and teachers' professional development with a systematic research-based literacy program designed to dramatically improve children's reading skills. Teaching children to read is the greatest gift you can give them. It is the key to well-being and a lifetime of learning.